Meet your new secret weapon for gadget repairs. 500 pieces of conductive rubber buttons in one handy kit. These soft black pads come in 10 different sizes, from tiny 1.5mm dots to larger 8mm circles. Perfect for fixing remote controls, game controllers, and all kinds of electronic keypads. They provide reliable conductivity, smooth button feel, and long-lasting performance, making your DIY repairs feel professional. Scan the QR code in the top right corner to check the price and delivery options. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more smart